Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can combine drivers in Windows 10 or 11. So first, you need to open the File Explorer tab. You'll see a drive, for example, E or new volume. So you can back up any important files on this drive as they will be deleted during this process. Simply go ahead and right click on the drive that you want to merge and select delete volume. Confirm your decision and the volume will be deleted and the space will become unallocated. Now next, locate the drive that you want to merge the unallocated space into new volume. Right click on this drive and select extend volume. Click on next and you'll see available unallocated space. Click on add and then next and finally finish. You'll be prompted to convert the disk to a dynamic disk. If you're sure you want to proceed, select yes and wait for a moment while the process completes. Now, if you open File Explorer and refresh this PC, you'll see that new volume has absorbed the space from the other drive. It's that simple. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.